Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is the 2025 Air Show. I'm down in Fort Lauderdale, and I'm gonna try to go down to the beach later and get some footage for you guys. But it is the Air Show. I have no clue where this jet is. It's right there. Hold on, let me tell you this. All the way down there. Oh, he's going up. I don't know where it went. Oh, he's right there. Ooh. Yo, that was crazy. I have an iPhone 11, so I can't really zoom in. Outside is making my hair frizz. But I do have an iPhone 11, so my max zoom is 3. Kind of buttons. But I might get a camera soon to get better footage. Gonna go down to the beach later, so I'll get better footage there. But as of right now, we're shooting off of my balcony, and yeah. Oh, he's all going back. I can't even keep track of it. Right there. So hard to keep focus. I can't even see it. Where'd it go? Oh my God, it's so high. There we go. But yeah, I'm gonna go down to the beach soon. So it's not gonna be right now. But probably when my hair dries, I'm gonna go down to the beach. It's gonna be all frizzy and messed up, so you guys are gonna see me in bad condition today. Alright, so we're at the beach right now, and they're flying around, so I'm gonna get some footage. The water at the beach is absolutely disgusting today. And they're all the way out there in the distance too. My phone is overheating, so I literally cannot see anything right now. That's on my phone, so if I get dookie booty shots, that's why. So they actually came out late, like later than expected, because they were supposed to originally come out at 2. They came out at 3. All of them came out at 3. One of them came out at 2:50, which was 50 minutes after they were supposed to originally come out. So one of them was flying around. I got some clips of that one, and then they all came out at 3. So it was kind of late, but they're doing a meet and greet after this, so they're gonna go at like 4. So I only have like a few more hours. I have 1 hour to get enough footage for all of this, but I don't know what my hair looks like right now. I really do not care if it's bad, but like I don't want to look bad on YouTube. But make sure y'all like and subscribe, because there's more tomorrow and on Sunday too. This is just Friday and I have the day off, so yeah. I just realized how cooked my hair is, bro. Yo, wind does not like my hair. But we come back tomorrow, so it's no big deal. Well, I come back tomorrow. On Sunday, I don't know if they're gonna be flying because there's a 50% chance of rain. It rained this morning. That's probably why they delayed it. I think they went back now, because I haven't seen him for a little bit. I haven't seen him for like 5 minutes or something. So like, I don't know. But I had came down to the beach. I was originally at a restaurant, and that's when they started flying. So we came down to the beach. I've been waiting here. It's really hot outside. My phone is overheating. I can barely see my screen. The water is absolutely disgusting today, like I showed y'all. But tomorrow I'll get some better footage for y'all. I'll probably just enjoy the rest in person and then record more tomorrow. So I'll see y'all in the morning tomorrow. All right, so it is 11. No, it is 10. It's 10 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go down to the beach today. I just got out the shower. I'm probably not gonna get in the water because of what I saw, the condition like yesterday. I'm walking my dogs right now. But I don't know exactly when the air show starts, but it starts soon. That's what I know. There's a whole bunch of different planes. Yesterday they only had the jets flying around, like practicing. But today's the real air show. So I have no clue when they're gonna be here. But I'm gonna go down to the beach in a little bit, probably like right after I'm walking my dogs. So I'll let y'all know when I'm there, and I'll see y'all at the beach. All right, I'm at the beach right now. They're starting. I don't see anything. The waves, it's like really wavy over here. I'm not in the best spot, but I'm gonna try to get some videos for y'all. so far away.
They were like all the way up there.
They're so loud.
Yo, this thing is huge. What is that? They got a helicopter and whatever that is. That thing is huge. Be aware of it. Oh my god. Going up. Literally just hovering there. The way it just hovers there is crazy. It's just like slowly gliding too. That is crazy. It's just hovering there. Literally just hovering there. It might go up. It's not focusing. It's not focusing, no. Focus. in my hands so bad. Image stabilization needs to save me. All the way down there.
Look at how far it is. All right, so I just got videos of the F-22 Raptor. My phone is low, and my mom's phone is low, so I can't really get good footage. The F-22 just went back. I'm looking forward to the Blue Angels. They come out at 2. Right now it is 1:27. So I don't know why that thing is flying so high. I can barely see it. I might not get clips of that. It's just like your average plane that you fly around. Not like an airplane, but like one with the propeller on the front and the I don't know. But I'm gonna try to get some good clips. Yo, my hair is so cooked. The Blue Angels come out in like 5 to 10 minutes. So they fly till like 3, I think. But right now it's 1:54. So they come out in like 6 minutes. I'm gonna try to record them coming out, but I don't know when they're gonna, so it's gonna be hard to get them and where they're gonna come from. But I'm gonna just try my hardest, so I'll get some good videos of the Blue Angels for y'all. Coming in from all the way over there. phone died when I was recording the air show. I only got in a certain amount of clips, but tomorrow they're doing it again, so I'm not gonna go down to the beach because I went down yesterday and today, but I'm gonna watch them from my balcony. They might not even fly because of the weather. They had to delay today. Blue Angels only flew for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, so that was boring. It wasn't boring, but it was just like not what I expected. But on the good side is I got some pretty good videos, and we went to a restaurant because the traffic was horrible, and it still is horrible. But I went to a restaurant with my parents, and we just chilled there, got some food, and then we left. The traffic was still really bad on the way back, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because that helps out a lot. And I'm trying to grow my channel. I only have 19 subscribers at the time of recording this video, so make sure y'all like and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and until next time, peace.